Here is how to give someone access to Google Drive link. First of all, you have to open browser and then you have to open Drive on your PC and sign into your account. You have to find the file or the folder that you want to share. Just tap on the three dots and click on share. Again tap on share. It will open this window. You will see the sharing options. Here you have to enter the email address and you have to go to the general access, that is restricted. You have to go and select anyone with a link and it's updated. Now you can copy the link and share it on the social media, on the WhatsApp, Messenger, or Instagram. You can copy the link and tap on done. Here you can just add the people and it's done. Make sure the link access is set to the anyone with a link if it's needed. And that's it. You have successfully given someone access. Thanks for watching.